Hi Jimmy, how's it going? You've been looking down lately, what's up with you?
Hey Susan. Truth be told, I'm overworked, as I've been working 65 to 80 hours a week just to play catch up on my bills, and I feel like I'm not even scratching the surface.
Oh dear, so sorry to hear that. I might have a solution for you.
Really, what's that? Another job? I'm already working here full-time and then 30 hours at my local Walmart as an assistant manager in the evenings. I've got literally no time.
Well, what if I can share a website with you, one that's got a bunch of work-from-home opportunities? I'm certain you can choose one that can earn you supplemental income.
Gee Susan, I always wished I could work from home. Fact is, I barely see my wife and kids anymore, so it would be great if I could replace my part-time job income and quit Walmart.
Well Jimmy, I found my business opportunity there, and now thankfully it's allowed me to only have to work here part-time, giving me more time with my family. It's truly a blessing.
Oh my God Susan, that's great. So is there a site I can go to check it out and see which business opportunity fits me best?
Thanks, and yes, it's www.myhomebasebiz.com. When you get there, just go through the whole directory. If you like, you can check mine out too, to see if it would be a good fit for you.
Okay, so that's www.myhomebasebiz.com. Great, I will surely give it a look, because working two jobs is surely not cutting it. So why didn't you just give me your site, Sue?
Yes, that's it, and if you find the right one, you can kiss Walmart goodbye for good. Oh, as for why I didn't give you my link, it's because I like to give people that choice to choose.
I've met many marketers and they just spam me their link on Facebook. I've got to say it's refreshing to find someone so selfless. I'll definitely consider your opportunity, Susan.
Great Jimmy. I just want you to be able to enjoy your family like I'm able to. If you have any questions about the Pure Intent Team Build site I gave you, give me a call.
Very well, I'll go to www.myhomebasebiz.com and check out the business opportunities on the Pure Intent Team Build, and I'll give you a call if I've got any questions.